The second in my series of free workshops for English teachers whose first language isn't English is taking place this coming Saturday, June the 10th. We're going to be discussing the concept of critical thinking and cognitive flexibility, and I'll be sharing some resources with you related to cognitive biases and logical fallacies. In groups, you're going to reflect on how to incorporate these ideas into your teaching. In preparation for this workshop, I would encourage you to reflect on and write down specific situations in which your students have struggled with critical thinking and cognitive flexibility. Remember, the more specific the situation is, the better. We'll also be working on an important coaching technique for expanding thinking that we touched on in our first session, namely metaphors and, surprisingly enough, etymology. At the very end of our time together, I'll be sharing some information on my new low-cost membership for English teachers whose first language isn't English, Ethos English Lab. Last Saturday, in our first session, we watched a short video by the composer and artist Brian Eno. He says that geniuses like Picasso, Rembrandt, and Shostakovich emerged from thriving, supportive communities, and that it's communities that are the true generators of genius. If you want to perfect your English language skills while rekindling your joy and creativity as a teacher, well, welcome to our community. I look forward to meeting you. Just so you know, there will be 2 sessions in a row, one starting at 10 a.m. Central European Summer Time, that is the time zone in Spain, France, and Germany, and a second one at 12:30 p.m.